are familiar with the color wheel, in the color wheel, opposite ang yellow and purple, di ba? So, when it comes to foundation or base makeup being too yellow, we can add a little bit of purple to it and mani-neutralize niya yung overly yellow, di ba? Yes, ayan. So we have a very good diagram here. So you can see na when it comes to your foundation being too yellow, masyadong dark yellow, you can always add purple into your base product. So we're gonna demo that for you, of course. Buti naman hindi siya matulo.
Kaya nga.
Okay, anyway, so we're gonna drop a little na blue. Yes. And lalagyan din natin ng konting red para maging purple siya.